Di bawah cahaya bulan purnama, serambi Mekah bersinar megar sultan. Iskandar muda berlayar gagah, across the sea his name echoes far. Benteng Indrapatra berdiri teguh, ilmu dan imaman bersatu utuh. From scholars to sailors, the wisdom flows. In every wave I shares, glory grows. Wahai Aceh, tanah para raja, land of kings, brave and worldwide. From Darul Kamal to Darussalam, your legacy will never die. Sultanah Safiatuddin bersuara bijak, a queen with grace, her rule intact. She led with heart, with pen and prayer. Her light still shines in every layer. Rengkong dan meriam bukan sekadar senjata, but symbols of courage, love for tanah kita.